What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing a very powerful strategy and simple strategy that you can use to catch spike and also take 10 to 20 candles on boom and crash. This is going to be the most simple and easy and accurate strategy you will ever find online. We are just using one indicator on the main chart and the other indicator, the second indicator on the indicator window. So guys, I'm going to be holding a 1 week intensive training mentorship on forex in preparation for 2023. So guys, if you are interested, I'm going to you click on this link on description of this video and join the group. So guys, the strategy is very easy, like I said, and it's going to be the most efficient one you ever find online, and it's quite different from every other strategy you see online on boom and crash. So like I said, the strategy uses two indicators, one indicator on our indicator window and the other one on our main chart, right? So meanwhile, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well to hit on that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you still updated each time I'm releasing a new video just like this. So guys, let's move directly to the charts, right? So the strategy we are going to be using in divergence, right? This is going to be different from every other divergence video you find online, because one thing is that the same way you use divergence on currency pair or volatility indices is different from the way you will use it on boom and crash, because of the spike that we have in boom and crash. So that makes it different, and it's not everyone that really understand the differences between the divergence on boom and crash and divergence in the normal forex markets, or divergence in volatility pair. So you always be like, man, I need divergence now. I'm actually seeing divergence. I've seen another thing, because boom and crash is a little bit different from the normal volatility indices or the normal currency pair that we have in the market. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use divergence with it. So basically, what we mean by divergence is just that when we have something like this on our chart, we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? This is our main indicator. We actually see that, okay, this is actually going to be an higher low, a higher high, because this one is what is more higher than this. But on your indicator window, this is what you would be having, right? We can actually see that this is showing us higher high, higher low, higher high. But look at what we have. We have what? Higher high, lower low. So this gave us the variance. There is differences between the price action on your main chart and the price action on your on your indicator window. So once you have these differences like this, automatically you enter forward for a reversal. It's actually telling you that a reversal is about to happen, right? A reversal is about to happen. So once you see this kind of indication, you can enter for your trade, right? You can actually enter. It's a very powerful setup that you don't miss your target. You will not miss your targets. It's very accurate and very simple. You are not disturbing yourself, right? So that is it for. So this is a what? This is divergence for you. This is divergence for you. So that is divergence for you. So let's walk up to the chart and actually see how we can use it. So like I said, you can actually use the strategy in two ways. You can use it to scalp. You can use it to take up to 10 to 5 up to 5 to what to 20 candles, depending on your risk management, and you can use it to catch spike. So let me explain the spike aspect of it first. Okay. Now, um higher high, low, no, we don't have a divergence here. We don't have a divergence here. Okay, let's see here. No, there's no divergence. Okay, no, there's no divergence there. No, there's no divergence. Okay, let me use this. Let me use the words. Let's start with the 10 to 5 candles, the scalping side of it. Let's start with the scalping side of it. Okay, now. Okay, now the scalping side of it is this. Look at this low here. You see what we have here. Look at what we have. Can you see the variance? This is showing us lower what? Lower low. But on our indicator window is showing us higher what? Higher high. Right? It's showing us higher low. Right? But indicator window is showing us lower low. Right? See this lower low. This is higher low. Higher low. Right? So with this variance now, you can actually enter for your what? For your perfect setup. Let me use a line there that you can see properly. Look at this is what we have there. See what we have. So we have this variance. I do see the variance there. Right, you can actually see. So this is the variance in it. Alright, do you see? This is low. So in a equation like this, you just enter. Once you see this, this is telling you there's a what? A reversal is about to happen. Like this is our divergence. So once you see this divergence like this, you enter after the price actually what move above this moving average. That's the confirmation on your main chart. So once price move about it, you enter from here, right, and you take your what, your 10 to 20 candles depending on your risk management. You can take more than that, but don't forget your risk management. So that is the what, that is the your entry. And for your stop loss now, which is your risk management, you put your what, your stop loss should be below here, right, below here, some few pips below the what, the swing low, few pips, some pips below the what, the swing low. That is where your stop loss will be. Right, that is where your stop loss will be depending on your what, on your risk management. Right, so and that is the what. So the first confirmation is that you must have a divergence. So once you are able to spot a divergence, maybe okay, the indicator window is showing you higher high, the indicator window is showing you lower low, right, but the main chart is showing you lower low, but indicator window is showing you higher what, higher high. So you what, this is the first confirmation. And then the second confirmation is that the price now has to move above the what, the moving average, right, the moving average on the main chart. And it must, since we are taking a reversal now on crash 1000, right, it must happen at the what, at the 30 level, right. If it is going to be for spy, it must happen at the what, at the 70 level. So those are the what, the confirmation that you take, right, those are the confirmations. So that is one example. Let's look out for another one. Let's look for another one. Okay, now we have another one here. Oh, we have another one here. Okay, this is another one. This is what, this is lower low, right. Look at what we have. This is another what, you can actually see is a very perfect what, very simple and accurate. Is very simple. Like I said, it's going to be the most simplest strategy you ever find on Boom and Crash, and accurate. Now look at, this is our divergence. See, this is our divergence, right. This is higher lower low. This is what, higher high, right. This is your higher high, higher low, sorry, higher low, lower low, lower low, right. Let me mark it with let me mark it with an horizontal line so you can see confirmly. You can actually see efficiently. You can see efficiently. So this is, look at, this is our what, this This is our higher low, and this is our divergence. Sorry. So you can actually see. So you have it. So and it's what it actually happened at our what at our 30 level. So this is what gives us the what the commercial, and your entry is going to be from here, right? You take your what your 10 to 20 candles depending on your risk management, and your stop loss is going to be below this below this swing low, right? Below this swing low, you can actually see how it plays out, right? You can even take more than that. You can take more than that, but don't forget your what your risk management is very important, right? It's very important, right? It's very important. Do you have another one? Do you have a divergence here? No. Do you have a divergence here? No. No, 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 no. No, do you have a divergence here? Oh, no, 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 low, high, no. No, there is no divergence here. There's no divergence here. And it's not even happening at what? It's not at our 30 level. It's not at our 30 level. Okay, so this is another one here. You can actually see this is lower low, right? Only we have what? We have higher low here, right? We have higher low here. So this is lower low. This is our lower low, higher what? Higher low, higher low. So we have our what? We have our divergence, and it's what is actually happening at our what? At our 30 level, right? It's occurring at our what? At our 30 level, right? So that is, let me use the horizontal line so that we can see properly, right? So we have we have this. So we have this what our higher low here, and this is our what on our indicator window. This is what we have. You can see what we have higher low, and one moment to enter from here, you take your what your 10 to 20 candles, and you are out depending on your risk management. Remember, your stop loss is going to be below this swing low, right? It's going to be below this swing low. So that is, and you can actually see you have your 20 candles perfectly, and you are out. Right, so guys, that is for it. Let's look for the spike aspect of it. Let's look for the spike aspect of it. Maybe I should just make another video for the spike action of it, because I don't want the video to be too long. So guys, if you actually enjoy the strategy, please drop your comments in the comment sections, and let me know on whatever video you want me to be making next. And like I said, I'm going to be holding a 1 week intensive training mentorship in preparation ahead of what of 2023, right? I'm going to be sharing my strategy, my price action strategy, and some other indicator strategy that you can use to be profitable in the financial market, in the forex market. So if you are interested in it, click on the link in the description and join the mentorship group. I joined the mentorship group. So let me share the settings for you. So we are basically using two indicators, like I said. So the first indicator is going to be, you click on this F here. So the first indicator, which is our moving average, is the period is 10, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to what? Apply to close. So once you are done, you click on what? You click on done, right? So the second indicator is on our what is our RSI. So the period is what? 14, apply to close. The style is what? 2 pixel. It's actually the default setting, right? The RSI is going to be on default settings, and once you are done, and for those of you that you've probably modify your settings, just click on this set to default, and it's going to reset it back to default for you. So once you are done, you click on what? You click on done. So you have your chart like this. Have your chart. Let's look at Boom 1000. This is Crash 1000. Let's look at Boom 1000. So for Boom 1000 now, obviously we are going to be taking a what? A sell, not a what? Not a buy. So in that aspect now, you should be looking out for the what? The 70 level here. This is where we'll be taking our what? We'll be taking our this is where we'll be taking our what? Our entry. Okay, without even going too far, right? Look at this area here. This is higher what? Higher high, right? This is higher high. And what do you have here? Look at it here. This is higher low, right? So this is the what? This is the divergence. So you enter after. This is what I'm actually seeing now. You can actually see what we did have here. This is what we have here. This is what we have here. We have this. Alright. Look at this is an higher high. But what's on the indicator window is showing us a what? A lower low. Look at it here. It's showing us a what? A lower low. If you are confused, let me use an horizontal line there so that you can actually see. Okay. Let me use an horizontal line so that you can actually see. Let me use a vertical line, sorry, so that you can actually see it out. Okay. So this is our what you can actually see. This is our higher high, and this is our what? Our higher low. So can you actually see now? So you enter after. So you enter after the price actually come down to what? When the price is below this moving average, which is our moving average 10. Right, so you enter the meant you have that, and you take your what? Your 10 to 20 candles, and you are out. Remember, your stop loss is going to be above this swing high. Right, it's going to be above this swing high. So guys, do your back test very well, and make sure you do your back test very well. Follow the rules, and drop in the comment section if you encounter any error. If you actually enjoyed the video, please drop a comment in the comment section to actually encourage me to make more perfect one. So like I said, I'll be holding a 1 week intensive training mentorship program on forex in preparation for ahead of what 2021, right? Ahead of 2021. So if you are interested, you see the link in the description of the video. So join the link. Of course, you can't expect it to be free, but it's actually going to be at a discount price from my normal price. For those of you that have actually contacted me for my mentorship, you know the price I set for. But this is actually going to be at discount price and avoidable in preparation for 2023. So guys, if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please hit on that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so that you stay updated each time I'm releasing a new video. I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment sections in review back from the feedback of this strategy. I still remain my humble self. Trade it Modupetemi. Trading should be fun. See you guys.